Moving on to some of the more bullish dollar pairs, we've got AUD and NZD. As you can see on the daily time frame on AU, we've had our break of structure with our swing high and our swing low. We're looking at maybe this point of liquidity to get taken before we see any further upside continuation. Although we discussed yesterday that this might look a little bit strange because we will have our 4 hour break of structure here. This is our swing low and this is our swing high. This is the daily point of liquidity. So if we see that get broken, we could on the daily be ready to look for those upside continuation plays. However, on the 4 hour time frame, that could mean that our trend goes from bullish to bearish. The reason I don't like this pair at the minute, even though we have taken this point of liquidity, is that EU looks like it is bearish and the DXY doesn't look like it's going to move towards the downside. So I don't like to trade counter to my dollar bias. If we go down onto the 1 hour time frame, we can see that we are bearish now with a break of structure in towards the downside, which is why, again, I'm not favoring any upside moves in this current condition. We've got too many disalignments, not being aligned with the dollar, and also not having our multi-time frame analysis intact. Moving on, we've got NZDUSD on the daily time frame. We can see our break of structure with our swing low and our swing high. We've liquidated the lowest point of liquidity before then switching bullish on the lower time frame. Moving down onto the 4 hour, we can see that we have had our break of structure here and then another break of structure over here. So this is my current swing low and this is my swing high. Similar to AU, we have liquidated this low point of liquidity within this overall impulse in towards the upside. We have seen somewhat of a reaction from it. However, as I said with AU, I don't like to trade counter to my dollar bias, and this does not look like it is moving as fast as what I was anticipating. If we move down onto the 1 hour time frame, we can also see that after previously breaking up in towards the upside, we've now broken in towards the downside and we are now bearish. So if anything, to look for those long positions, I'd like to see another break and then look to scale in on this position here to target the weak swing high. It's the same on AU. I want to see some proper structure forming before then getting into those high conviction, high probability longs.